Howdy howdy, I'm the painting guy. Dropper bottles. You all seem to love them, but have you ever experienced this? Doesn't even come out when you push in the needle from the front. You need to take this out, get your hands dirty, push from the back, clear out the dried paint, get your hands even more dirty, then you get your paint. This happens regularly. It's not nice. I know, most of you hate these pots. It's almost empty. And still, the paint is good. The paint holds fairly well most of the time. And I never really had an issue where I wanted to grab a bottle of paint and couldn't get it out of there. With dropper bottles, it happens all the time. One time, I foolishly decided to refill my oil paints into dropper bottles. When they work fine. But when they don't, they really don't. The reason I refilled them is to thin them down with a drying time accelerator so they dry in a reasonable time of 1 or 2 days. But also there they clogged up on the top. Couldn't get the paint out. I needed to change these things. And when this happens with oil paint that dries really slowly, what do you expect from acrylics? Maybe I just added a bit too much drying time accelerator. That's also a possibility. But there is an alternative to both of these. Simple paint tubes. Never dry up. Always work perfectly. Give a great consistency, both of paint and of getting your paint on the palette. The paint in there is also great. Schminke acrylic. Primer acryl. They also got oil paint. If you want to check them out, you can. I hope I could help you.